Gravastar Speaker. The Ingenuity Cool is not only the sound effect, the future mecha shape, shock burst bass, zinc alloy metal body. TWS dual-core wireless networking, 10 hours of continuous playback. The sound cavity made of all zinc alloy has both strength and toughness. The cold and mellow texture makes you love it when you play. Gorgeous sound quality with powerful bass.
Every product link. Follow description box.
Multi-USB hub. Gadgets 7-in-1 USB-C hub applies to all full-function Type-C laptops, featuring USB-C charging port with power delivery, 4K with 30Hz HDMI port, SD card reader, micro SD card reader, 1 USB 3.0, and 2 USB 2.0 ports allowing you to connect a keyboard, USB driver, or external disk to the laptops. Two-side ventilation design, fast heat dissipation. It is not easy to heat up. Automatic pet feeder. This automatic pet feeder helps you a lot. It allows pet owners to still check on their pets and feed them whenever they're at work or out for a short vacation. You can use the easy-to-use LCD screen or app to customize the meal times and portions to help you take care of your pet. Thus, your pet is fed regularly and feels safe, tightly connected
Every
with you via
product
your
link.
voice record.
Follow description box.
Remote heart-lung monitoring. The smart stethoscope integrates weak signal detection technology, acoustic signal analysis technology, and artificial intelligence technology into one device. All of these improve Smartho's diagnostic capabilities significantly, hence reduce the rely on doctors for early-stage diagnosis of any respiratory diseases. Video capture card. As a no-driver required portable HDMI video capture card, it can be used without drivers and external power supply. So you can use the built-in functions of the current software to get a seamless experience. And the capture card is small size and easy to carry, no problem for outdoor and indoor live broadcasting.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Never miss any update.